Look, he is using his claws and he is sitting on the water pot rather than standing there, gripping it with his claws and poking its wound and heat, and we think we have to release it soon. Soon he will go back to his family. Its leg has healed now. Now it's ready to go back to its family, go back to nature. तो ये जनाब इसका ज़ख्म ठीक हो चुका है और अब इसे वापस जाने के लिए तैयार है. Bye boy, take care. He has come back. My God, ये वापस आ गया. मैं इसे छोड़ के आया था, दरख्त पे बिठा के आया था, एक दिन वहाँ रहा और आज ये वापस आ गया. He wants something to eat. Look at him. My God. He flew all the way. Like and subscribe if you like. Thank you very much. I am afraid by now I have spoiled him. I have to devise some technique to create what that is called distancing effect. He belongs to the wild. He belongs to other species of his kind. He doesn't belong to man.